I'm ready.
Happy birthday, Savannah Love, Deanna, Devin, Dante, and Drake.
I know, that's a really nice bag.
It's like a backpack. You said it's a backpack. No, I can buy like anything I want because I have $102.
Can you open it? Mom, will you help her open it? Oh, there you go.
That's a deep.
Wait, I think I know what it is.
What?
Yes, it is!
Oh my gosh!
It's not really the one, but
Wow!
it's really cool.
Isn't that cool?
It's hitting me in the face. Well, it does have a little bit of cost.
Sure does.
Yay!
Nice.
What do you say?
Thank you. I really wanted this.
I really wanted that.
Oh, that looks nice, Savannah.